Hello children, welcome to our one more session of Chapter 4 MS Advanced Formulae and Functions in MS Excel. In our previous session, we have studied about the practical session of this particular topic. That means we have studied about what is relative referencing, what is absolute referencing and mixed referencing also. We have done the practicals also related to these different types of referencing using the Excel sheet and using the formulas based on these types of referencing. How relative referencing works, how absolute referencing works and how we can work with the mixed referencing. Now in this session we are going to learn a new topic, that is functions. You must have heard about this particular topic. Now let's see what are functions. Functions are predefined commands that acts on a cell or a range of cells and perform some particular operations quickly. That means if you want to perform any of the mathematical calculations in your Excel sheets, like you want to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, then instead of using these types of symbols, we can directly use the functions for this. For example, if I want to find out the average of the numbers, then I have the function also for this particular operation. Now let's see what are the uses of functions and what the functions can do. Functions basically eliminate the chance to enter wrong formulas. That means if I am using any of the symbols, then it can happen that I may enter the wrong formula. But using the functions, it simply eliminates the chance to enter the wrong formulas. The values are given within the brackets. In case of functions, the values are always given inside the brackets. Then only the function will be working. Return values displays the function output. That means whatever function, for example, if I want to find out the total or the average of the numbers, then whatever values I am getting as an output considered as the return values of the function. Now next, let's see what are the rules to enter a function. There are certain rules to be observed while using the functions. First of all the functions must start with the equals to sign. That means whenever you are going to enter the function name in the Excel sheet or the cell, it should have the equals to sign at the very beginning. Secondly, function name must be a valid Excel name. Example, sum, average, count, like this. That means it should have a proper Excel name. Third, function name must be followed by opening and the closing brackets. As I told you, all the functions should have the arguments or the values inside it. That means it should have the opening brackets also and closing brackets also. It should also contain the arguments inside it. For example, if I am going to find out the total, then it should be in this manner: equals to sum bracket A1 colon A5. What is this A1 colon A5? It simply specifies the range of the cells in which I want to find out the total of the Excel sheet. Now let's see few of the mathematical functions which we can use in Excel. First is the sum function. It simply gives the total of the whole range of values. Second is the average function. We normally write down average only to find out the average. Then we have the max function. Max function basically finds out the maximum value in a range of cells. Then we have the minimum function, which simply finds out the minimum value. Then we have the count function. It simply counts the number of values in a range of cells. Range of cells means you can give any of the range, like from A1 to A5. I have given it over here. You can have any of the range of your choice in which you want to find out the maximum or the minimum range. Other than this, we have the other functions like the date and time functions also. We have the logical functions also. We have the string functions also in MS Excel. We are going to study about all these mathematical functions in our next session, when we are going to have the practical sessions in our next video. Thank you children. Have a good day.